us and talk about forever, baby. Let's talk about us. Give you my word, and I'ma stick to my guns. And even when I say it, baby, it's just because you don't understand the full intent of my plan. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. And baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. Yes, girl. I know you've been hurt. I know your love shy. You don't have to say it, baby. It's gonna take some time. My heart in the palm of your hands. I know it's gonna stay there, baby. Give me half a chance. You don't understand. No, the full intent of my plan. And baby, I wanna be your sole provider. And baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. Yes, baby, I've been waiting for a long time for somebody like you to give my love, all my love, day and night. Just say you'll be mine for the rest of your life, and I will show you mine. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. And baby, I wanna stay that way for the longest time. Baby, I wanna be your sole provider. Oh, say you love me, darling, now, yeah. Oh, baby, I wanna be your sole provider. Baby, I wanna stay. Oh,
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Detective Corporal Clark.
Kingston Night Market, how you feeling? I see you guys enjoying yourselves tonight. I know you guys didn't know that the JCF have so much talent. Am I lying? Yeah man, them talented bad man. It's indeed a pleasure to be here with you guys tonight. And if you know these songs, feel free to sing along. One of my favorite songs from Doran Stevenson.
she calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I've no place to sleep. It's somewhere you can tell me. He walks on and doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. another day for you and me in Kingston town. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you and me in Kingston town. Life in Kingston town, Kingston town. She can walk, but she's trying. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you and me in Kingston town. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you and me in Kingston town. Life in Kingston town, Kingston town. Life in Kingston town, Kingston town. Life in Kingston town. Oh gosh. Listen to me now. Oh Lord, is there anything anybody can do? And oh Lord, there must be something you can say. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you and me in Kingston town. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you and me in Kingston town. Let me say that to the people who are proud Jamaicans. Let me say that to the people who love reggae music. Alright? Alright? It looks like you don't want to come down, man. And I'm tired of hearing it. I want to look like I'm tired of it, man. Well, so one more? Only one more? Very special person. Let's not let them know special they are. Where have you been so long? In my life you made a statement. You're like my very first hit song. All this time I have been raising, but you have made me into a star. And without your love I'm nothing. Who I am knows who you are. I will climb the highest mountain, yes I do it. Give me any sea or ocean, I should do it. Yeah, cause I prove to you my love is never ending. And eternity with you I'll be spending. So baby, take my love, take it.
next song, kind of more modern. So I need a special lady to serenade tonight. Can I have a volunteer?
There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just mine.
You don't have to let the ladies feel special, alright? So hear me to this beautiful lady right now. Hear me?
There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just a smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking for a while. The best way to say it, woman, your energy is right. Hear me now. Before I hold you in my arms, I wanna hold you in my heart, baby. Before we share our love upon that bed, I wanna place this girl upon the head. Man, what are you, girl? Majesty, don't you know you are my queen, oh baby? Majesty, don't you know you are? You're my queen, baby. You're my queen of the jungle. You are the lioness. When I don't feel like I crumble, so you always try your best. So when you want like I crumble, your lion is alright. Before I hold you close, oh girl, I wanna let you know that when all is done and all is said, that you deserve that crown upon your head. I said, don't you know you are my queen, oh baby? Don't you know you're my queen, baby? Everyone just fix me in. Say me now, Cleopatra, me the Shiva, Nefertiti, you are your feature. Everything in a beautiful creature. It's summer right, the big queen and the easy. So every night Gala under the creeper. I mean, I know more, no more Marisa. But me know me in a Serena. And this beauty, me know you. Bring me back, snake girl. I'm good and I'm a girl. She don't want your position. She don't want your position. And you must just see her come and tell me, make it up and go and I see your answer. Girl, not say you know. I want Kingston and the love song them from Sarah. Me say I want Kingston and the love song them she knows. Me say I want Kingston and the love song them, oh gosh. Me say I want Kingston and the love song them. From the chorus again, hear me now. Baby girl, majesty. Don't you know you are my queen, oh baby? Majesty. Don't you know you are majesty? You're my queen, baby. Thank you. You guys enjoy that? When the sun can come down now, you want me can come down now. Alright, we know the most land for now and now. So we are kind of slow down the tempo a little bit. When the sun wants some lightning, you guys want some lightning in this place? I'm happy that you guys are enjoying the JCF band. Only you, stibbity-bit-doo, what you say? Your love shut me down lightly. love with you. Take you as you are, lady. She's got something to